And I got the king of the king, you know.
Just ready headphones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Strikes and demonstrations for the talk of the land.
Okay?
Yeah.
Lay off and take on another things.
Over there.
Worldwide crisis is at large.
So. Ich bin wahnsinnig aufgeregt. Neben mir habe ich mir nämlich jetzt einen Co-Moderator hergeholt. Eingeflogen aus UK. Welcome to our show, Mr. Terry God in the house.
Yes.
Nice to have you here.
Okay, greetings. Rastafari. Yes, I know Rastafari. Yes, from London. Now we're based in Vienna, Austria. Now playing tonight in Munich at the Sunny Red Club with I Know Dubwise song. Yes, strictly roots and culture, Dubwise selection. I Know Rastafari. Yes, Rastafari music all night. Yes.
You're doing it a long time, since 1981.
81, yeah.
81.
From 80, yeah.
What was it? 20 sound? Your sound system? No.
In the beginning, it was it's called Lord Demonstrator.
Lord Demonstrator.
So 1980.
Yeah.
Then 1985 we changed, and because we was more spiritual then, so we were to turn Rasta, and we used to change the name to a sound called Jah Trinity, International, from Gloucester, yeah, because Jah Trinity means Haile Selassie, Trinity, Haile Selassie. So yeah, Rastafari music we're playing, and roots of culture. So we've played from Jah Trinity in 1985, roots of culture dubwise, all the top sounds like Jah Shaka,
Yeah.
Jah Tubbies,
Yes, man.
yeah, Abashanti, Arati Steppers, Jah Observer, Jah Youth,
You play with all them.
all the
together.
sound, Freedom Masses,
Right.
all the
nice.
top UK roots and dub sounds, you know, from 1985 onwards.
Cool. So
Yeah.
let's check it out. What we a little thing what we got to hear tonight from you.
Yeah.
You brought us some good music, and
Yeah.
let's
Yeah,
run
man.
that thing, you know.
Yeah, man. Dubwise selection, roots and culture, dubwise, Rastafari music, you know. This one, Loot and Fire selection, you know. Rast always, Loot and Fire. This one, yes. Queen Lioness, give thanks from Vienna, Austria. Yes, Jobless.
That's always I embarrass and I see getting praise. Yes, I that's always my journey in the righteous way. I that's always I embarrass and I see getting praise. Yes, I that's always my journey in the righteous way. Me put on me big boots and go keep down Babylon. Them a wicked man. Every one of them has some wicked roots. They see them got no vision. Nah, make no provision. Mr. Rasta is the way to go. Let me tell you one religion. Now that's what cause the division. Mr. Sampai them a sell. Be a sorceress. All
We're
that's
talking
a
between something. After some minutes, Yeah, that's just a culture radio that's sharing the frequencies during these two church frequencies. We just have it from Saturday to Sunday only 4 hours. Saturday from 9 to 12, 9 in the morning. Spotter? Warum hast du nichts gesagt?
Ich war mir dann doch nicht sicher, ob es anlässt. Nicht, dass ich dann doch laber und dann ist es.
Come on!
Yes, yes.
Wieder ein schönes Video in YouTube, ja.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Put it out to the world. Raspberry God, coming out of Reggae Radio.
Yes, tonight I will leave the Sunday Red Club, Munich. Yeah, man.
I know